So in this guide, we'll be showing you how you can see which apps are consuming your battery. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to check which apps are using your battery or draining your battery, you could follow these steps. For that, you want to make sure to open up your settings on your device. Now, depending on the type of device or the version that you're using, this might be in a different interface as well. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and search for battery as well, or you could just go ahead and scroll down to battery section. When you open up the battery section, you could find a lot of options. Simply go to battery uses. When you go to battery uses, you could see the percentage and the level as well. Scroll down, you could go ahead and locate view by app. In many cases, you might also see two different options if you tap onto it. So if you have selected view by system, then you could just go ahead and select the button to view by apps. Now you could see these are the apps that is consuming my battery. So basically you could find it underneath. So here you could go ahead and look for it, and you could also allow all this. So this is the basic way you could go ahead and check which apps are using your battery. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.